Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining me into this video. And today, as the title suggests, we're going to look at how Fiverr works as a freelancer and also as a customer. Fiverr has been there for like a while now, and it has helped a lot of people out there, especially the freelancers and also customers out there who want like some gigs done. I'll start off with as a freelancer. So as a freelancer, there are many things that are the services that you can sell on Fiverr, starting from lifestyle to the services like graphic designing, animation. I'll put a list in the description below. First of all, you can get clients from anywhere. So it doesn't necessarily cut you off geographically. You're not limited to being in your own country or your own area. And you can actually network with other people who are freelancing as well. It gives you a lot of opportunities to expand as well, to expand in your skills, to expand as a freelancer, and also just to expand in general. It really helps a lot of people out there. If you are someone who is really serious about putting their work out there and letting people know that this is what I'm doing and this is what I can offer to you, and I can offer to you is what you want it to be. So that's something that you can actually work on, and that's actually what you can that can actually help you to grow as a person and also as a freelance. So I'll walk you through how you can use that as a customer and also as a freelancer. So to start off, let's go to fiverr.com, and there we go. So this is the official website for Fiverr, and as you can see, I have logged in and it says, "Hi Ashley." Okay, hi, hello, I'm good. So this is what you can do. So it's to start off, you need to start off by logging in or signing up. To sign up or logging in, you go to the top right corner and you're gonna see a thumbnail which represents your name or your profile, or you choose to sign in or log in. That's where, and then you're gonna start from there. So I'm not gonna talk about how to sign in and how to log in. That is too basic for us to tackle on. So just sign up or log in. As you can see on this blog, there is a lot of things that you can choose from. So we're going to start off from graphic designing, digital marketing, writing, translation, video animation, music and audio, programming, and tech, business, lifestyle, industry. So there are lots and lots of things that you can choose from. And as you can see, if I hover over my mouse, it shows you some subcategories that you can choose from. And there are also some miscellaneous, which are uncategorizables. Let's say you choose something, let's go to programming and tech. So let's say you choose a game development. Um, And as you can see, there are things that are like you can choose from if you want to customize your game, you want to build a full game, you want to fix bugs in your game, or you want to do a prototype for a game, you want to consult backup and migration. There is like the service options. Do you want a 3D game or a 2D game? And do you want some game engines? I heard that the Unity is very is the top leading game engine right at the moment. And yeah, and also the type of platform you want your game to be, and then there are some genres and then some plugins as well, and then you can apply seller details. Check to top rated seller, and then he speaks English and he lives in there's no Zimbabwe really. uh so you guys, look at this. There are no Zimbabwean game programmers on Fiverr. Can you imagine this? We need more game programmers on Fiverr. Okay, which ones? And this is the Pakistan budget. This budget allows you to choose exactly what you want in between your means, guys, in between your means. Say you want something from as minimum as $5 to as maximum as $10,000. And then delivery time up to 7 days. Wow, look at this. So you can choose even to get your services done within 24 hours, within 12 hours, because this is just a different industry, but you can even get your designs even in less than an hour, guys, even less than an hour. But this one, I'm going to put it up to 7 days. So I'm just going to say apply. According to my filter, it's saying there are only 4 services available. The top rated one is this one. I will develop game in Unity 3D 2D for Android, iOS, web, PC, starting at $295. And look at this, 247 people are happy with the services. Wow. And look at this. This is the top rated seller and has about 345 people rated 5 with a price starting at $150. And it says, I'll develop and design 2D games. So this is 2D games followed by 3D, 2D for Android, iOS, web, PC. So afterwards, just go to there, just navigate there and look at this, okay? So what it does, like this is the basic package and the package only includes the minimal functionality 2D game, bug fixes, etc. This is like a 3-day delivery, 3-day delivery with 1 revision. So this is 1 level. Oh, so this game only has 1 level. Okay. Include design, 1 plugin, and also include source code. Okay. So this is nice. Okay, let's go to standard. So standard, look at the price change. It goes from $150 to $400, and this has 3 levels with 2 plugins. Wow. Okay, in uploads to App Store. Okay, so this is a basic 2D game or a reskin of a game. Wow. Okay, let's go to premium. So premium, as you can see, oh my god, it's $995 with 5 levels. Let's say continue to package for $995. There's a service fee here. The total amount is $1,044.75. These are the payment methods that you can use from PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, I don't know what's theirs, and Discover, JCB. To pay securely on a website, it has a lock. That means it is secure, and you can use this website for buying a product and also selling a product securely. We go over to some extras. So every service has some extras. You can just confirm the payment and submit your requirements, and your seller can view it and start on the job. So if you want to start selling on Fiverr, you just go to start selling, and I just created my account. It says your account has been created, and look at this, become a seller. So when you click here on becoming a seller, ready to start selling on Fiverr, here's the breakdown. Learn what makes a successful profile, create your seller profile, and then publish your gig. And then you say just continue. What makes a successful Fiverr profile? This is what you need to look at for your credibility to be linked at the top and to find the most relevant customers that you need. And you just say continue. And then now let's talk about the things you want to steer clear of. So providing any misleading or inaccurate information about your identity. This is a non-negotiable thing. You have to provide your exact information about your identity, and also opening duplicate accounts. Remember, you can always create more gigs. So you can create duplicate accounts here to get more gigs. Continue. First name, last name. Okay, private. Yes. Profile picture, and then description, what you offer, and then languages. Yeah, continue. So this is like the professional information. This is the time to shine. So let your potential buyers know what you do. And if you have any certifications or any experience, this is where you have to enter all those information, because entering this information will actually help you to be picked up at the top. And then continue. Right. Okay, so my social presence has been verified by Google. You can choose to connect with Facebook and Twitter, but not right now. And then account security. You can choose to verify your email and your phone number. Verified successfully. Continue and verify. Finish. It's all verified. And then here we go. It's all done. And take our free course to learn what it takes to be a top-notch seller on Fiverr. The essentials, what you need to know, gig title, and then you go to category and then some search tags. So search tags are very important. Let's say you're someone who does digital marketing. Don't limit yourself to like I do digital marketing only. Just use some tags. Use some tags that you know people are likely to search using these names, because that will help you for you to be on top, because tags are what counts when it comes to a customer searching for a service. And so this is where you do it, and then just save and continue, and voila, you get it. And then you just publish. Okay. And then afterwards you continue to pricing, and then description of what you offer, and then the requirements, and then you can choose to put other things that you have done that are related to what you sell. And then afterwards you can publish. That is as easy as that.